Warning, this video contains graphic images of a comic nature. No extra work was caused for any employees. You don't always see everything. Enjoy the humor in this video. No extra work was created for employees. No employees lost their jobs in the creation of this video. Welcome to my world. Friends, subscribers, internet strangers, what's up? Here we are tonight. Just got a tip on a product. Lowe's. Let's check BrickSeek. BrickSeek says this store has, hell, I don't know what BrickSeek says it has. That's what the phone's for, right? We're gonna go to 5 Lowe's. We're gonna pick up 20 items, and we're gonna make 200 bucks tonight in a couple hours. All right, stay tuned. Lowe's, you cannot hide it from me. Even if you stick it in the boxes like this, I will find it. Son of a bitch. There's the other two. So BrickSeek said they had 4. Guess what, guys? They had 4. Plus they got one of these for 12 bucks. Whatever the hell that is. All right. This is the clearance here. How much of this should we scan? It looks like somebody... It's terrible. I just want to make sure y'all get the right frame of mind. Beardy picker style. See, there were some good prices on stuff. It was $5. It was $16.98. Now it's $5. But the box looks like yeah, these were 9. Let's see. They were 10 out of 4. Let's see what we got, guys. Is this gonna be big bucks, no whammies? I gotta get going. I got 4 more to go to. Okay, the rank on that giant guy right there is 55,000 on the garden, $8. If I bought this for $3.99, I'd lose the tax. Damn it. Damn it. All right, let's go see what the next store's got. Hey, in honor of Shane, the Rise and Grind picker. There we go. Rolling on. All right, I'm back at you. I've recovered from having to throw trash away in that tub. Next Lowe's, right? This is 20 minutes later. Huntsman has 4 Lowe's, so we're gonna go to all 4 of them. See what we can find. 1 item tonight, $200. 2 hours. Let's roll. Hey, look everybody, instead of 7 they have 8. Where do you think I should throw this box this time? If Shane was here, where would he throw that box? Let's put that in the chat and the bottom below. Where would Shane throw the box? This is where he would put it, right here. you gotta have some fun when you're out doing retail arbitrage, because if you don't entertain yourself, nobody will. You can only mess with the cashiers for so long, right? Have y'all noticed in this video that Lowe's needs to clean their signs? They're pretty disgusting. All right, basket check. All right, I forgot to get y'all to say the RA pledge for condition for watching this video. Pledge that you will not drop any prices. Okay, repeat after me. I pledge allegiance to Amazon that I will not drop any prices. I will not go below 57.5%. All right, you still with me? Let's find out where they are here and where I'm gonna stick the boxes. This is the first time I've found them on the shelf. Oh, look at that. They've been here a while. Oh, look, we got another one. And another one. Hot dog. We gotta find somewhere for that box. Ugh. Any more back there? One thing you do is always look for more clearance while you're here. These are those same kits. They were, I believe they're the same ones. They were marked down to $4 at the other store. They're only $2.49 here. Are they the same ones? Yeah, $8.45. You can actually make $1.50 on these here at this store. Here's a good one. Some kind of rotator. I don't know. Let's see what we got. $8.68. You can actually make what, $2.50, $3. But see that rank? The yellow orange means it's outside of what I've set is what I want to return. Okay. All right. Damn it. BP's not all bad. Right. They had a trash can, so we threw these in the trash can. So all that bad stuff you've been saying earlier in the video, take 1/3 of it back. I can't even come up with something to say, and that's bad when I can't come up with something to say, because I've always got something. Damn! Time warp, time warp. That's a low budget time warp right there. Pretty picker style, right? Because you know I'm cheap. Let's see. So how many have we got? 24. So that's how many we ended up with. Brick Seat said there was 20. There was 24 in town. So, you know, the accuracy went the other way this time. I went to all 4 stores. One of them closed at 9 instead of 10, so I had to go back today and get it. So it was worth me driving. We were at a doctor's appointment, so I grabbed these other 6. So I'm gonna ship them in. They were $9.84 each. I should expect to make $10 a piece on them. So, you know, 2 hours work. It's going to take me 2 hours and 20 minutes work, but it take me 20 minutes to box these up. Should get $240, $250 profit. So I'll put a thing here to the Amazon listing. And no, I did not factor in gas because I track my mileage. It is an item that is tax deductible. Based at what, 57, 58 cents a mile. I don't factor in time or any of that stuff because I do reselling full time for a living. So if I wasn't doing this, I'd be doing something else. You know, I was told last night at 7:30, hey, this is a good item. You know, I looked them up, found them, and picked all of them up except for one store. So it's a great little flip. Just a nice little addition to a shipment going in already. Any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. No employees, no stock, no anything was hurt in the filming of this episode. Remember your pledge. Do not lower the price. All right. Better pick her out. Roll Tide.